You made more with one product than a lot of our merchants do with their whole store, and you made more with your one store than any merchant that I've sat next to and talked to. So your formula definitely does work.
So yeah, that happened. That was a great trip, to be fair. It was quite an experience sitting there and actually doing a video with, you know, with the team like that, meeting the Oberlo team. We had some great conversations about what was upcoming with Oberlo. There's a lot of stuff coming. It's very exciting sort of stuff. But yeah, I mean, wow, what a trip. What an experience. I hope you guys have seen the video by now. If you haven't, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out after you've watched this video. The rest of this is basically just a montage of my trip, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Check out the pink. Fucking pink. I got a pink bird. Yeah, what's this? Check this out. What's this? Is this free? I don't know if this is free or not. Look at that. Safe knickknacks. Is that free? I don't know if any of it's free. Free. Body lotion. Got a little thingy. Sounds like someone's took a shit in there. Look. TV. TV hidden here. Where's the TV? Ah! Okay. Okay, look at this. I'm gonna change the channel. Check out this. There's a TV in this mirror. Look at that. Let's see if it works. Wait, entertainment, TV. Oh, Jesus. BBC News. Ah, MTV.
Do you want to dance?
It was film day in Berlin. I'm just about to head off down to get some breakfast and then head out over to the Oberlo offices and just basically get filming. So yeah, watch out.
Chris opened a general dropshipping store 2 years ago that made $500,000. And what's more impressive, he ran his store while he was still working his full-time job. Today, Chris is going to share 5 dropshipping products that you can start selling today. You don't want to miss this video.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's kind of what I got up to while I was over in Berlin. If you want to learn more about my journey and how I got started in dropshipping, and if you want to learn more about dropshipping in general, then there's links in the description below where you can find everything you need to know about how to get involved in dropshipping. If you want to see the entire Oberlo video in full, then there's also a link to their channel below where you can watch that video and subscribe to their channel as well, because they put out loads of useful information and it's definitely worth looking into them. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you check out all the other videos on my channel because I give out loads of tips, loads of hints about how to be successful in dropshipping. Some of the feedback that I've been getting about the content in those videos has been amazing, so thank you, keep it coming. If you have any questions, then make sure you drop them in the comments box below. But yeah, you know, drop me a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one.